Well, good Monday morning, everyone. It is a mild Monday morning, but a little foggy depending on where you live. Kim just mentioned that she had some fog in her area, so I put up the Metro Airport camera. Doesn't look too bad at the airport, but in areas by Romulus, there is a little bit of fog that is starting to develop, so we're keeping a very close eye on that. 46 degrees over at Metro, Ann Arbor 46, Lapeer 44, Monroe at 50 degrees, but infrared satellite really showing some of those low-lying clouds and fog that have developed just south of I-94 and north towards Sandusky, north of I-69. So you might want to give yourself an extra minute or two on the roads before daybreak. But once that sun starts to peek out, that'll help burn off that fog this morning. We'll be in the upper 40s by 10 a.m., but 57 the forecasted high this afternoon, which puts us 10 degrees above the average high. And so it's going to be a nice start to the work week temperature-wise, a big difference by the end of the week. But let's first talk about that visibility. As we progress throughout the morning, you're going to see that fog continue to develop and become a little worse before it gets better. So 8 o'clock, we're still dealing with the fog, but by 9, most of that is out of here. So daybreak will really help us when it comes to the lower visibility. If you are heading out to the Pistons game this evening, here's a look at that forecast for you. So coming off the afternoon high of 57, we slowly start to see a decline in those temperatures, but nothing drastic. By the time you leave LCA, we'll probably be right around 50 degrees. Cloud cover before and after the game, with rain arriving really late, maybe even after midnight. So you probably don't even need that umbrella as you're heading to and from LCA. Tonight, 46 degrees for that overnight low. You can thank the cloud cover for those milder temperatures. Rain does arrive late. Winds begin to pick up, and it's ahead of this next weather maker. So that warm front down by Kansas City and St. Louis, bringing showers to that portion of the Midwest. That's going to inch up into our neck of the woods. So for tomorrow, plan for some showers. Will be a smidge warmer thanks to the warm front, 59. But the winds are picking up as we'll have gusts upward of 20 miles per hour. Mapping out that hourly wind gust forecast for your Tuesday, we'll have wind gusts right around 20 to 25 miles per hour through about 2 p.m. Then we start to see the winds die down just a little bit heading into the evening. Tracking those showers for you, plan for a wet morning commute tomorrow, 9 a.m. widespread rain across lower Michigan. We'll start to see that lift as we head into the evening. So really Tuesday night should stay dry. Wednesday morning will be a drier start. But once we get to Wednesday at the lunch hour, more rain works its way in. Now, late Wednesday, things start to get a little interesting. We have some heavier rain developing by Cleveland, Pittsburgh. We're on the lighter end of that, but then snow mix in towards Pittsburgh and the northeastern part of Ohio. We're on the warm end, so we're getting rain at that point through Thursday, but snow lifts all the way towards Cleveland, still south of Toledo by Thursday evening, and then that sinks a little farther south by the time we get towards Thursday, 3:45 or so. So we're going to have rain mixing in on the tail end of that heading to Friday, but it's a doozy just south of the state line. We have the rain. Stray shower could linger all the way to Saturday, but cooler temperatures 40s by Thursday and into the upcoming weekend.